Dishes, cooking becomes an adventure. It's like bringing a little piece of the anime world into your own kitchen. Cooking. With a little creativity, you can turn these basic ingredients into amazing meals. Remember that episode of Sailor Moon where Usagi makes curry for her friends? Or that time in One Piece when Sanji cooked a feast for the whole crew? These are just a few examples of the many times we see characters enjoying quick and easy meals in anime. These scenes aren't just about the food, they're about the joy of cooking and sharing a meal with friends. Anime teaches us that cooking can be a fun and rewarding experience, even if you're short on time. In our busy lives, it's easy to fall into the trap of takeout and instant meals. But cooking doesn't have to be time-consuming. Anime shows us that quick and easy meals can be just as delicious and satisfying, so ditch the instant noodles and grab your chopsticks. It's time to embrace the fun and simplicity of anime cooking. With a little effort, you can enjoy delicious anime-inspired meals every day of the week.